Hi everyone, welcome to Mechanical Special. If you are a car enthusiast or just someone who loves their ride, today's video is just for you. We're diving into the top things you should never do to your car. These tips will help you keep your car running smoothly and looking great for years to come. So, let's get started. 1. Ignoring check engine light. First up, ignoring the check engine light. We have all been there. You see that little light pop up on your dashboard and think, I'll get to it later. But trust me, ignoring it can lead to serious problems down the road. That light is your car's way of telling you something's wrong. It could be anything from a loose gas cap to a serious engine issue. 2. Skipping oil changes. Next, skipping oil changes. Your engine oil is like the blood of your car. It keeps all the parts lubricated and running smoothly. Over time, oil gets dirty and loses its effectiveness, which can cause major engine damage. Stick to the recommended oil change intervals, usually every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, to keep your engine healthy. 3. Not cleaning your car. Regular washing and waxing protect the paint and bodywork from rust, dirt, and environmental damage. Dirt and grime can cause scratches and promote rust, while bird droppings and tree sap can damage the paint. 4. Ignoring tire maintenance. Tire maintenance is another thing you should never overlook. Driving with underinflated or overinflated tires can affect your car's handling, fuel efficiency, and safety. Make sure to check your tire pressure regularly and keep an eye on the tread depth. Rotate your tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles to ensure even wear. 5. Using cheap or incorrect parts. Using low-quality or incorrect parts for repairs and replacements can compromise your car's performance and safety. Inferior parts may not fit properly or meet the necessary specifications, leading to further damage and potential safety risks. 6. Overlooking battery care. Regularly checking the battery and addressing signs of a weak battery, such as slow engine cranking, can prevent unexpected breakdowns. A weak battery can leave you stranded and may indicate underlying electrical issues. 7. Using the wrong fuel. Using the incorrect type of fuel can damage the engine and fuel system. If your car requires premium gasoline, don't try to save a few bucks by using regular. The octane rating is crucial for your engine's performance and longevity. Using the wrong fuel can cause knocking and potentially damage your engine. Always follow the manufacturer's recommendations. 8. Driving with low fuel. Driving frequently with low fuel levels can cause the fuel pump to overheat because it relies on fuel for cooling. It can also lead to the fuel pump picking up debris from the bottom of the tank, potentially clogging the fuel filter and injectors. 9. Hard braking and accelerating. Sudden stops and rapid acceleration put extra stress on the brakes, tires, and engine. This can cause increased wear and tear, which leads to shorter lifespans for these components and higher maintenance costs. And there you have it, some crucial things you should never do to your car. Taking care of your vehicle ensures it stays reliable and safe for you and your passengers. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more automotive advice and tutorials.